So the original plan for this video was for me to use my McTavish Cheapo Depot sniper rifle that I did extremely well within the budget sniper video. This time I removed the scope and I threw on some iron sights and put on a stupid foregrip. I made this gun into a meme of itself, and unfortunately it did not pan out in my favor. I could not see the iron sights and I could not see the BBs very well due to how dark it was getting with how late we started and the daylight savings time screwing us over. So unfortunately, if you came here to see that, I will not be using that gun in this video. We're basically going to cut out all the parts with that because nothing eventful happened with it, and we're just gonna, it's mostly just gonna be pistol gameplay. Yeah, that's what you got. There you go.
Or if we were still having problems, like,
no, it works
kind of
fine.
Forgot about it.
It works fine. The pole's a little bit difficult, but it works.
Though, like when you ended up getting it back and there was still something wrong with it.
I thought that it was missing the hop adjuster, but it's not. They just installed a different type.
Yep.
All right, we have like no time at all. Ray! Cannot aim this thing. Fucking hell. It's impossible to aim this stupid thing. Oh boy, I'm gonna get hard. Right on a rock, dude, every time. Hit! Yeah, you got me the ear. Yep, damn it. Man, I don't even have a front post on my gun. Okay. Where the fuck are you?
Over in the bushes.
Oh, I can't even see you.
I was hoping.
Oh, I see you now. Left side. Oh, I'm out of CO2.
Huh?
So I'm out of CO2. Well, until it spuddles.
Good. Oh. Yeah. I don't know. I swore I didn't hit him.
Oh my! Did I hit you in the dick? No! No, I hit you! I saw the BB hit you in the dick. What do you mean? Yeah! I watched it. I watched it go, Dylan, I have that much left, and my second to last shot hit you in the dick. I'm like 97.8% sure I hit you in the, at least in the waist.
Yeah, I did not feel it. I did not feel it there.
Well, don't, it's because it's shooting 100 FPS. I have no fucking CO2.
Yeah, I know.
That's why you didn't feel it, because it was like,
I'm trying to figure out how the fuck I cannot hit you. Dude,
you shot right over my head.
yeah, dude, I was aiming directly at them. You should have went for a bang bang.
I got them, Angelo. They're both dead. Huh?
That would have counted for a bang bang, right? If he came up to you?
He has to call it.
That's what I'm saying, though.
Yeah.
I didn't count because we both have pistols and you know I'm
It
there.
doesn't matter. If you sneak up on him like that, you won't get how you didn't hit him. dude.
I legit was aiming like this. So let's say that's the tree. This was me shooting like 4 times.
I mean, when you pull the trigger, it must have gone up a little bit when you pull. Cause if it hit me in the hat, if it hit me in the boonie, I didn't feel it. So we can just call it a kill for a kill. We both got a kill right there. How about that? We both got a kill. Dylan, I shot you.
Yeah, you got a dick hit that I didn't feel. That's your
Yes,
kill,
because it was like,
whatever.
You want to say I killed you, you killed him?
Yeah.
I killed you too. I shot you.
You killed me. And
We killed each other. We both got 1 point on a kill,
And then you killed him.
and I killed him.
Yeah, we'll count his dick hit on me because it doesn't matter anyway. But Jake, I
Fuck.
saw you finally get close enough and you go like this. Bim, 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 bim. Hit. I'm like, Jake! How do you fuck that up? You have
I don't-
the
I'm-
advantage. He has 0.2 of his CO.
Again, if it hit me, it skimmed me, and I didn't feel or hear it, and I shot, and
I think it's Jake because I was
My
aiming
legs are fucking jello, dude.